It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, AM/FM stereo radio, easy lift and lower tailgate, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and twin-turbo V6 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. Take it for a test drive today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.